Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Ring doorbell snapshots with third-party archive workflow detailed guide step by step clearly. First, ensure your Ring doorbell is properly set up and functioning. Open the Ring app on your smartphone or tablet. Log in to your Ring account with your credentials. Navigate to the device dashboard and select your Ring doorbell. Locate the snapshots feature in the settings menu. Make sure snapshots are enabled for your doorbell. If not already enabled, toggle the snapshot feature on. Next, you'll need to create a third-party account for cloud storage, if you haven't already. Choose a cloud storage service that fits your needs, like Google Drive or Dropbox. Follow the prompts to set up your account and log in. Now, return to the Ring app and select the time frame for the snapshots you want to save. Use the date selector to choose a specific range of snapshots. Once selected, tap on the download button to save the images to your device. Locate the downloaded images in your device's photo gallery or downloads folder. Now, open the cloud storage app on your device. Create a new folder specifically for your Ring snapshots if desired. Upload the downloaded snapshots from your device to this new folder. Make sure to confirm that the upload process is complete. To automate future backups, consider using an IFTTT or Zapier integration. Set up an automation workflow to save new snapshots directly to your cloud storage. Test the integration by triggering a new snapshot and ensuring it uploads automatically. Regularly check your cloud storage to confirm that your snapshots are being backed up. Review and organize your snapshots periodically for easy access. This ensures your Ring doorbell snapshots are always securely stored and accessible. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.